Hi everybody, it's Alex with Master Odor Removal. It is the 25th of October 2025. They've got some really beautiful palm trees here lining their front door area. We're servicing this beautiful home in Boca. I am the Boca Raton odor removal specialist for hardcore tobacco, level 4, level 5 in some rooms. In this room, apparently she played cards or something with a bunch of friends, and so they use this as a big-time smoker room. You can see, hopefully in the light, you can see how yellow that is. Actually, I'll show you some better examples. There's no lighting really. I guess I could put the spots on it. So 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, mirrored. They're going to completely kills the walls and paint after we pull all the tar out. So we'll service all of these walls here. You can see we're set up. There's no kitchen counters for us, but you can see that it has a lot of rehab to do. You can see this vent right there, how dirty it is from tar. That's from the third-hand smoke. They know that they need to replace that or figure out how to scrub it and or bleach it and or kills and paint it to make sure it doesn't smell anymore, but hopefully they can replace it. They're going to replace all these plastic fittings. You can see how yellow that is. That's from tar. That's from third-hand smoke. All the cans. Boy, this one is really, you can really see it in there, right there. But a vaulted ceiling, which is pretty cool, kind of echoey. I apologize for that. And then this is the master. The master's got a refrigerator in it, which is funny to see. But again, they're doing rehab. Here in this bedroom, you can totally see the yellow on the vent. This is the master. And then here's the master closets. They know they're going to take these racks out because these are totally polluted. I've already spoken to the owner, Felipe, about that, no problem. Again, you can totally see the tar right there on the vent. That is from cigarette smoke. This as well, this light fixture is a very porous glass. The discoloration in there is not a design, that is tar. He's throwing this away. Nice little lovely built-in closet. There I am, everybody, hello. This is the master, so we'll go ahead and service the ceiling in here. We will service the ceiling area, the bathroom especially. And again, there are no lights, but anyway, we'll service here on the ceiling to make sure that it doesn't have any more tar in it. You can see the yellowing in the pocket door. Again, they're throwing away these racks. And then for our second step process, this is going to be beautiful when it's done. We're going to go ahead and service the AC. We've actually told the owner we're going to service the laundry room area, which is right here. Oh, there's a light. All right. And then here's the AC system, which he's not replacing. It's actually a really small unit for a house this large. But we'll service the garage as well, the ceiling, the floors, the walls as best as we can. There's cigarette smoke everywhere in this place. But we will service the AC. Here's the main return. You can see how dirty this is. I've already taken the filter out. And we'll directly go up in there and we'll service the coil. And our chemical will dissolve any tar on the coil. That's the AC. And that's really basically it, okay? Another beautiful home, another odor service. We look forward to helping you as well. Thanks for viewing.